Cassie in Ireland. ट्रेन स्टेशनाचेर रावता आमगे ट्रेन घेवपा टू गो टू द वेन्यू. सेक्सी आहा ट्रेन स्टेशन. एटलीस्ट म्हाका जाता 2 hours जर्नी आसता आमकां. ट्रेन स्टेशना भितर बरी एक कॉफी शॉप आहा. लायतले.
Look what she's doing.
गांव सोडून
That is also same amount. Huh? Same amount. I'm get 2 nights something.
4:30 जाले आनी आजू पासून आमकां कांय खायला ना. ताका लागून हांव येते बोगलेक एक शॉप आहा. थंय कितें मेळटा जाल्यार चोपा वयतलो खावपाक. हॉटला सायडीनूच लेट्स सी. ही मामी लोक हुंय चोपडी गान जेवण स्टार्ट कोताय. चय हुंयसो मेळपाय जेवण कामाक गेल्ली आजी.
I'm Ranjita.
रांदिला.
There's another spot prize going out for anyone who has. You'll be the first person who comes to me with Indian currency. Indian currency. Notes, no? You should have in your wallet. See? Euros. We have a winner. Come, first person. The coin is another again with us now. Thank you very much. First person. Indian currency. Francisco. First person. Song like push time ago. Song like correct or we have fun. We have a winner. For a second I'm like, who is coming on this? June.